In this video tutorial, we will explain how to install CentOS 7 step by step with OS update using yum update command. CentOS 7 minor releases listed here. You can download CentOS 7 version as per your requirement from the official website. The full form of CentOS is Community Enterprise Operating System. It provides a robust, stable, and easy to manage platform, ensuring the highest level of operational security for free. CentOS 7 is approaching its end of life and will be superseded by CentOS Stream. End of support mentioned here. CentOS 7 booting from ISO file. Installation process begins. On the boot menu, select Install CentOS 7, which will open the installer graphical interface. Select which language you like to prefer during installation. The default option is English. Click Continue button. To set date and time, select the region, time zone on the map of the world. To set date and time, here you can use NTP server address. I have unchecked other servers. Then click on the Done button. Click on the software selection option. Under the software selection heading, you will see the list of predefined base environment options and add-ons for selected environment. Here I select a server with GUI option and add-ons as per your requirement. Then click the Done button. Click the Installation Destination option. Under the system heading, by default automatic partitioning is selected. If you prefer manual partitioning as per your requirement, select I will configure the partitioning checkbox and click on Done button. Under the manual partitioning table, under the manual partitioning section, select LVM and add new mount points such as root, boot, home, swap, etc. Additionally, you have to create a log audit mount point for storing logs. Click on the Done button and finish. The summary of the changes windows pop-ups. Click on the Accept Changes button. By default, kdump is enabled. Click on the Network and Hostname option. To set hostname, type fqdn of your server or system. To configure the network, click the Ethernet toggle button. To enable connection by default, DHCP is on. To add a static IP, select manual from the method. Click on the add button to add the static IP of your network. IP address, net mask, gateway, DNS server. Click Save button. When you finished, click on the Done button. To start installation process, click on Begin installation. This process starting the package installation process. To define root user, select the root password icon. Enter the root password and re-enter the confirm field. To create a user, click on the user creation option. You have to define your full name, username, password. Then click Done button to proceed. In this process, installing package, performing post-installation task, generating init ramfs. After completing the installation process, click the Reboot button. After the server reboot, the first screen displays. Log into the system by using credential defined. After first login, the welcome screen is available. Here you can check the Linux version using a redhat-release file. You can update existing system using the yum update command. In this process, updating, installing cleanup package with auto-resolving dependencies. After completing this process, you have to recheck the Linux version. After update, CentOS version is updated. You can see here. If you like this video, please click or tap on subscribe button